we found that there's no better way to explore a new place with amazing nature and terrains than to rent an ATV. We did this in Santorini and it was the best. We did it in Cappadocia as well now, and it was so good that we did it twice. Woke up early again and I just had a bath here while watching the balloons come up. And this was not a bad view to work at. Getting some work done on the balcony while watching some balloons. I can think of worse places to work from. This is pretty amazing. Having breakfast, same spot.
Still waking up.
Still waking up. We're the only people here. This guy, I don't know if he just made breakfast for us, but there's flapjacks and
so
sausages and it's amazing, and we have the best view. Once again, amazing.
All of the sand in Cappadocia is in my eyes.
Do you wear glasses when you come in here? They help a little bit.
Yeah, a little. You only get half of the sand.
And then we had a quick break at Cavusin Village, which is beautiful.
Secrets, fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Guide me in when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked black and into bright sand. Straight towards the warm sun and into his hands.
You look dirty!
I let my feet roll.
So it was awesome, the ATV tour. My eyes are so tired because every day we've been working. It's been a hectic week, so we've been working intensely, and then we wake up at like 4 a.m. to go on a balloon ride or watch the balloons. And you don't really go to bed earlier because it is so pretty outside at night, so you're like, oh, I want to see it. So we're running on like 4 hours of sleep on a hectic work week, and really epic activities, but it's so worth it. Also, everybody here has been super nice, and all the tours have been so well organized and safe and stress-free and just really well done. Everything is so well done. The hotels are well done. All of them have breakfast included. We're staying at 3 different ones, and the breakfast is so nice. The only thing that's hard to find is coffee, but further on, amazing, amazing, amazing. This place is magical, and I literally cannot recommend it enough. It is awesome. I would stay here for like another 2 weeks. It's so cool. And then we moved to our third and final place in Cappadocia, and we were just in time to watch the lightning storm from the terrace. We had the pots last night from the place and it wasn't the same, and the previous time as well from place and it wasn't the same. This we ordered from Cedar. Sedef.
Oh.
We had it the first time, we fell in love with it. I hope it tastes the same because it was amazing. If it does, don't order a pot from anywhere else but Sedef. Yeah, it's hot, but this is what it looks like. It is a bread on top and delicious food inside.
It was a bread.
Yes, good. Real one. Doing the ATV tour, but we decided to rent one so we can have fun and not be stuck in a line. The ATV tour was awesome to see places, but we just want to enjoy the terrain as well. So, yay!
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red.
Accidentally walked into someone's property that lives in one of the caves, so we did a quick turnaround and got out of there because we were quite far away and isolated from everything. Our gears just gave in. Not sure where we are. Jared's trying to fix the gears. We can reverse though, so we can reverse all the way back home. But I think it's quite a few Ks. Got a new one, because the other one's broken. And this one doesn't have back brakes, and the one button looks like it's braking. But I guess it's okay. At least we found the ATM. Trying to go to the castle.
I let my feet roll. I'm breaking your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.
We saw the castle from the distance and felt that was enough because the road was getting quite intense with traffic and we had a flight to catch in a few hours. Your ATV doesn't have brakes, so you can't stop for coffee. You pick up rocks and use it as brakes. I don't know how heavy this is. I also don't know if there's a snake underneath this. Rather heavy. Looks lighter. Yeah. Weights. Haven't touched weights in months. One rock.
That's just one.
Jared said my rock job is good enough. Espresso, chai, turkeys, something. Looks nice. Let's see. Smells nice. Jared got this. It looks amazing. Woo! That's awesome. One of the best things to do. But I'm tired now. We did it. Go get 24 hours ahead of us for traveling. Then one of the guys lifted both Jared and myself on his small ATV back to our hotel as we had to jump into a van to catch our flight for the next 24 hours of traveling. Next week we do 24 hours of traveling again to North Macedonia. Subscribe to see if you want to see what a sleep pod looks like. So this is bed for 3 hours. There's charging point.